Hello, I'm Professor Jan. Welcome to Shadowing Practice with the Arvo Chat. In this video, we're going to practice 100 everyday Australian English phrases. 100 phrases across a full week. Monday morning at work, Tuesday lunch, Wednesday evening, Thursday at the gym, Friday farewells, Saturday at the markets, real conversations, real Australian English. Here's how it works. This is designed for you to say each and every phrase 5 times. Yes, 5 times. First, I'll say the phrase. You listen. We'll say it together twice. Then you'll say it by yourself twice. And finally, we'll say it together one more time. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Just say it. You'll say each phrase 5 times. So you're going to get plenty of practice, and the more times you say it, the more natural it feels. Ready? Let's begin. It's Monday morning. You're arriving at work and you see a colleague. Good morning. How was your weekend? Together. Good morning. How was your weekend? Together again. Good morning. How was your weekend? Now by yourself. Good morning. How was your weekend? And by yourself again. Good morning. How was your weekend? Now together again. Good morning. How was your weekend? It was lovely, thanks. Say it with me. It was lovely, thanks. Together again. It was lovely, thanks. Now by yourself. And the last one with me. It was lovely, thanks. I went for a walk on Saturday morning. Say it with me. I went for a walk on Saturday morning. I went for a walk on Saturday morning. Your turn. And together. I went for a walk on Saturday morning. I had lunch with my brother on Sunday. Together. I had lunch with my brother on Sunday. I had lunch with my brother on Sunday. By yourself. I had lunch with my brother on Sunday. I went to a party on Friday night. 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 I went to bed early last 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 night. I practiced my English for an hour before I went to bed. I practiced my English for an hour before I went to bed. I practiced my English for an hour before I went to bed. I practiced my English for an hour before I went to bed. I'm pretty busy today. What about you? 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 Good stuff. You're doing really well. You made it to your desk and are now chatting with a different colleague. Still Monday morning. The topic is the weekend. Hey, how was your weekend? 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 It was really good, thanks. 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 What did you get up to? 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 I went to the beach with my family. 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 Ooh, that sounds nice. Was it busy? 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 It was pretty busy, but we found a good spot. It was pretty busy, but we found a good spot. It was pretty busy, but we found a good spot. It was pretty busy, but we found a good spot. Did the kids have a good time? 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 Yes, they had a great time. They love the beach. Yes, they had a great time. They love the beach. Yes, they had a great time. They love the beach. Yes, they had a great time. They love the beach. I haven't been to the beach for ages. 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 You should go. The water is beautiful right now. It's just the right temperature. You should go. The water is beautiful right now. It's just the right temperature. You should go. The water is beautiful right now. It's just the right temperature. You should go. The water is beautiful right now. It's just the right temperature. Fantastic! You're being a great Aussie spending time at the beach. Now it's Tuesday at lunchtime. You're in a cafe ordering your lunch. Hi there. Can I get a sandwich, please? 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 Sure. What bread would you like? 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 Can I have white bread, please? 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 Would you like it toasted? 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 Yes, please. Toasted would be great. 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 What filling would you like? 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 Chicken, tomato, carrot and arvo, please. 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 Would you like anything on it? 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 Just a little bit of mayo, thanks. 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 That'll be $12, please. That'll be $12, please. That'll be $12, please. That'll be $12, please. Good work. I hope you enjoyed your toasted sandwich, or as an Aussie might say, your toasted sanga, or your toasted sambo. Now it's Tuesday afternoon and your workday is finishing. You and a colleague talk about plans after work. Are you heading straight home after work? 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 No, I'm going to the gym first. 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 Oh, nice. How often do you go? 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 I try to go 3 times a week. 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 It really helps me switch off after work. 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 What time do you usually finish? 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 I finish at 5:30 today. 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 Do you want to grab dinner after? 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 I'd love to. What are you thinking? 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 Do you like Japanese or Italian food? 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 You're doing really well. You should be sounding like a fully fledged Aussie by now. Which is great because in this next set you're chatting to your neighbour. Oh, hi, I haven't seen you for a while. Oh, hi, I haven't seen you for a while. Oh, hi, I haven't seen you for a while. Oh, hi, I haven't seen you for a while. I know, it's been ages. 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 How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? Really good, thanks. Staying pretty busy. 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 How are the kids going? 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 They're great, thanks for asking. 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 They're growing up so fast. 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 We're having a barbie on Sunday. You should come over. We're having a barbie on Sunday. You should come over. We're having a barbie on Sunday. You should come over. We're having a barbie on Sunday. You should come over. Absolutely, that sounds like fun. 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 Okay, nice work. You're doing an amazing job here. We've just practiced 50 phrases or sentences that you use through the week. That only took around 15 minutes, not long at all. Practice them again if you're in the flow. Remember, the more you practice, the more you'll sound like an Australian. Too easy, mate. The next 50 phrases are in another video, so jump on over to it. But before you do, remember to subscribe. We really appreciate it, because it means we can keep bringing you free lessons.